we're playing. We're rolling.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We got a new package today. Gwen wants to open it. You want to open it?
Yeah.
All right, I'll start it.
Okay.
They are hard. Okay, there. Open it up. Pull, pull. What's in there?
I know.
Grab it. Packaged really well. Here we go. Here we go. Go out this hole. What is it? Ooh. So we ordered the Renogy battery monitor.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah. Are you ready for this? So we're excited about this so we can monitor our battery, and we can't monitor our inverter charger because
Hey, want my tub?
the solar goes just for the solar. So we're excited about this, and so I'll show you a little install video
Hey, want my tub?
right after this. So we're going to install our shunt today with the Renogy battery monitor. So let's get to it. It's kind of tight where I'm going to be working, so under here, out in the snow, a little tricky. Yeah, so let's get that box open. So I got the cover off the battery box. I'm gonna add one more battery back here. Then I'm gonna put in the shunt from the Renogy battery monitor in there. Yeah. So let's continue. north for a little while now, and we've ran our battery monitor that I installed just before we were coming up. So giving you an update on how that's working, and it's working incredible. Gives us all our stats we need. Right now it's fully charged, blinking at us right now. But as you can see, that it is 100%, 240 amp hours charging, because we're plugged into shore right now. So, but right now when we're not plugged into shore power, we got about 48 hours of battery with all our lights, diesel heater running, all our other, right, the compost and toilet fan, a few other things. But yeah, works great. We have 2 days of power without any sunlight, so lots of power. So yeah, I thought I'd give you guys that update and tell you how it's been. It's the Renogy 500 amp monitor, and it's awesome. Works great.